Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a true draw needle. First, gather all your supplies, including the true draw needle, collection tubes, antiseptic wipes, and a tourniquet. Next, ensure your patient is in a comfortable position and thoroughly clean the venipuncture site with an antiseptic solution. Remember to always don your personal protective equipment, such as gloves, before beginning any procedure to maintain a sterile environment and ensure safety for everyone involved. Now, let's focus on the venipuncture itself. Apply the tourniquet approximately 2 to 4 inches above the selected venipuncture site, ensuring it's snug but not overly tight. With your non-dominant hand, gently but firmly anchor the vein below the intended insertion point. Then, with the true draw needle's bevel facing upwards, insert it smoothly into the vein at a shallow angle, typically between 15 and 30 degrees, until you observe a flashback of blood. Once you've successfully accessed the vein, it's time for blood collection. Carefully push the collection tube onto the needle's hub, allowing the vacuum to draw the blood into the tube. Ensure the tube fills to its designated volume, which is usually indicated by a fill line. After the tube is full, gently remove it from the needle's hub. If multiple tubes are needed, repeat this step for each subsequent tube, maintaining proper order. Finally, let's cover post-procedure care. Before withdrawing the needle, remember to release the tourniquet to prevent hematoma formation. Once the tourniquet is off, smoothly remove the needle from the arm. Immediately apply gentle, firm pressure to the venipuncture site with a sterile gauze pad for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Crucially, dispose of the used true draw needle into an approved sharps container without recapping it, ensuring safety and preventing accidental needle sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.